Good morning, students. How are you, my children? Yes, and how many you all are doing practice regularly? Yes, you all are doing practice regularly. Very good. So nice of you, my children. Today we are going to learn new topic. But before I start new topic, now tell me what you have learned in last period. Yes, I am asking you about grammar. Common noun. Yes, in last period we have learnt common noun. Now you all know what is the common noun? Very good. The words that talk about people, places, and animals or things. Yes, these are called common noun. These are called common nouns. The words that talk about people, places, and animals or things are called common noun. Like boy, street, box, pen, girl, book, pencil. What these are, my children? These are common noun. These are common noun. Yes, very good. Now, today we are going to learn new topic. Yes. Yes, our new grammar topic is spatial name. Our new grammar topic is spatial name. Yes, you all can read, my children. Spatial names. It means proper noun. Spatial names. SPECIAL. Spatial names. 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 Spatial names. What we are going to learn today, my dear children? Yes, we are going to learn spatial names. Spatial name is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Yes, one more time I am going to repeat the same. Pay attention. What is the meaning of spatial names? Yes, spatial name means the name of a particular person, place, an animal or things are called spatial names. Are called spatial names. Yes, and spatial names begin with a capital letter. Spatial names begin with a capital letter. Now see this picture. What we can see in this picture? This is a cat. This is a cat. And cat name is Tubby. Cat name is Tubby. So Tubby is a spatial name. This is a boy. This is a boy. His name is Johnny. This is a boy and his name is Johnny. So Johnny is a spatial name. Johnny is a spatial name. The spatial name of this boy. Johnny is a spatial name. A spatial name is the name of a particular person. Yes, now see this picture and tell me, what is the name of your building? Yes, my building name is Avalon Heights. My building name is Avalon Heights. Yes, Avalon Heights is a special name. Avalon Heights is a special name of this building. Yes, now what we can see in this picture? Johnny and Kitty are going somewhere. Can you guess where they are going? They are going to Masjid Road. Masjid Road board is written here. So, Masjid Road is a special name. Masjid Road is a special name. Yes, this is a boy. This is a boy. Boy is a common noun. And his name is Sam. His name is Sam. So, Sam is a special name. Sam is a special name. Yes, we can see many boys in this picture like Sam, Ron, Johnny and Ramesh. Yeah, these are special names. What these are, my children? These are special names. Sam has 2 dogs. Yes, we can see 2 dogs in this picture. Sam has 2 dogs. And they also have special name. Yeah, dogs also have special name like Banjo and Admiral. Banjo and Admiral. Banjo and Admiral are special name of these dogs. Yes, now see this monument and tell me the name of this monument. Yes, my dear children, this is Taj Mahal. This is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the special name of this building. Taj Mahal is the special name of this building. So Taj Mahal is a special name. Ramesh, Kitty and Geeta are special name. Ramesh is a boy and Ramesh is a boy. His name is Ramesh. Yeah, this is a boy. His name is Ramesh. Then girl is there. This is a girl. Her name is Geeta. This is a girl. Her name is Geeta. We can see cat also. Kitty is the pet cat of Geeta. Kitty is the pet cat of Geeta. So my dear children, Ramesh, Geeta and Kitty, what these are? Yes, these are special names. These are special names. Yeah, these are special names because a special name is the name of a particular person, places, and animals or things. And special names always begin with a capital letter. We all can see Ramesh, R is in capital letter. Kitty, K is in capital letter. Geeta, yes, G letter. G letter is in capital letter. Yes, I know. Now you have learnt common nouns and special nouns also. Common noun means boy, girl, dog, tree, pencil, book, mobile, etc. And special names means like Ravi, Sona, Kitty, Ramesh, Sam, Bruno, Tubby, Taj Mahal, India, etc. Special name of a person, place, an animal or thing begins with a capital letter. Special name of a person, place, an animal or thing begins with a capital letter. Yes, my dear children, please repeat after me. Special name of a person, place, an animal or thing begins with a capital letter. Now, small activity is there for you all. Drag and drop the correct answer from the help box. Drag and drop the correct answer from the help box. Number 1, I saw the red fort. I saw the red fort. Red fort is the special name of a building. Red fort is the special name of a building. Now see sentence number 2. Ganga is a long river. Ganga is a long river. Ganga is the special name of a river. Ganga is the special name of a river. Sentence number 3. Rohan Sen is a doctor. Rohan Sen is a doctor. Now you all know doctor is a common noun. Rohan Sen is the special name of a person. Rohan Sen is the special name of a person. Red Fort, then Ganga and Rohan Sen. What these are, my children? These are special names. These are special names. Yes, a proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, an animal or thing. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Avalon Heights, Masjid Road, Nikki, Taj Mahal, Yamuna River. What these are, my children? These are special names. These are special names.